Hello kids, let's learn and draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Circle, circle, rectangle, rectangle, pie, pie, triangle, triangle, arrow, arrow, right triangle, right triangle. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, red color, purple color, forest green color, pink color, light green color, yellow color. Now fill color in 2D shapes. Vivid purple color, vivid purple color, cool gray color, cool gray color, cerulean blue color, cerulean blue color, brick brown color, brick brown color, orange color, orange color, peacock green color, peacock green color. Let's learn 2D shapes. Circle, rectangle, pie, triangle, arrow, right triangle. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.